What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off the inside liftgate panel on this 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We want to pull this trim off. Just grab underneath here, just pull it straight down. You can use a trim tool. It comes right down, has all these push retainers, a little B in there. All right, take this panel, just line the clips up and just press it back up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.